Christopher Small here from the Emerald City Law Group. Today we're going to talk about the double DOL suspension and what you can do about it. Here we go. So we get calls from clients all the time who have, for whatever reason, have lost their DOL hearing, so their license has been suspended for 90 days, and they've had to plead guilty to either reckless driving or DUI, which carries with it a separate license suspension, and they get another letter from the Department of Licensing that's told them that their license is going to be suspended again. This really causes a lot of confusion because we always tell our clients, if you lose the Department of Licensing hearing, you can't really get another suspension out of your criminal case because the Department of Licensing will give you credit for both. And that's true. So let's talk a little bit about what exactly happens when you get that second letter and what you can do about it. It's important to remember that the Department of Licensing is a huge bureaucracy. So they don't care about doing things efficiently. They don't care about you. They don't care about anything, really, except following their guidelines, following their rules, spitting out their paper when they're told to spit out a letter. And that's kind of what happens in this case. So if you go and get your second Department of Licensing letter and you read it closely, you'll see that they suspend your license for a certain amount of time, 30 days or 90 days, and then they give you credit for the suspension that you've already incurred, which means you don't actually have another suspension. The tricky part, though, is if you continue to read down the letter, they often will require you to reinstate your license again, which means you have to go down and pay another $100 licensing fee. You have to show them your alcohol assessment. You have to show them proof that you've installed the ignition interlock device. You have to do some other things to actually get your license back in good standing. So even though you read the letter and it says you have been suspended for 90 days, you've been given credit for 90 days, that's not exactly true. If you drive after that time without reinstating your license, making sure it's in good standing, you can get popped with a driving with license suspended charge, which causes a whole bunch of different problems for you in the future and with your old case. So make sure that before you drive, you talk to the Department of Licensing, that you confirm that your license is in good standing, then you can drive without any problems. I hope you enjoyed this information. Once again, I'm Christopher Small with the Emerald City Law Group. If you have any other questions or if you've been charged with a DUI, please call us today, 206-651-4245, or visit us at emeraldcitylawgroup.com. Thank you.